Welcome to Shorthand Dictation Practice. Today's dictation, Shorthand Transcriptions, by Sir Kailash Chandra. Transcription number 78 at 80 words per minute. Get your pen and notebook ready. We will start the transcription in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. Transcription number 78. Madam Vice Chairman, yesterday the Home Minister made a very strong case for his resolution. He stressed the necessity for an integrated approach to these problems. He appealed in the name of national integration to accept this proposal. He also stressed the necessity of having emotional integration through this measure. Well, I am not against having an integrated approach as far as both education and agriculture are concerned. But my fear is whether this step, in the present context, will at all help the integrated approach which he wants, and the national integration which he is aspiring for. Now, I will concentrate more on the educational service. I was thinking about this problem after I heard the Home Minister yesterday. With my state in my mind, our state is considered to be one of those which are so far ahead in education. But unfortunately the situation there is not very happy. Coming to college education, in our state there are a large number of private colleges. There are a number of government colleges. And there are a few colleges directly under the university. Now, those college teachers who are directly under the university are considered to be the blessed few because they have a higher salary, fewer hours of work, and sometimes the number of students whom they have to teach happens to be very limited. Whereas teachers with the same qualification employed in government colleges have to work 18 hours or even more, and they get a meager salary. The creation of these university-level teacher posts, instead of helping to integrate, is causing so much discontent among the government college teachers. Now, this creation of an all-India education service will create another few persons who may be much better placed than either the university teachers or the government college teachers. This state of affairs, I am afraid, will create more confusion rather than help integration. Now, as I mentioned earlier, there is a third category of private college teachers. Their condition is not very much better than that of high school teachers. In some cases, their condition is worse. The pay they used to get was so low that whenever they got a better chance elsewhere, they used to leave these colleges and go. The result of this state of education in the colleges is that their standards are very low throughout the whole community. Transcription number 78, continued partially. Reconstructed source page degraded. The following is reconstructed from a partially legible scan. Some phrasing is approximate. The integration of education as compared with other parts of India requires a great deal to be done in our state. And I feel that as far as this All India Education Service is concerned, whether in the public sector or otherwise, the government ought to take steps to standardize pay and conditions in education. The pay and conditions should be made similar as far as these government colleges and the private colleges are concerned. Unless we are able to integrate the system within the state itself, in the present state of affairs, it is the students who suffer at one time in states like Tamil Nadu and elsewhere. Students used to move in search of a higher standard of colleges elsewhere. Now the situation is different. I am not speaking only of my own state. As far as this state is concerned, standards are low, and students find it very difficult to secure a good technical education, even where technical education is available in the engineering colleges and medical colleges. The difficulty persists because standards are very low, and there is nothing by which an improvement can be brought about immediately, unless we have the necessary uniformity. It will only be harmful to the students and harmful to the state itself. So these are the colleges I would ask the government to look into, so that we can think of the interest of the students passing out. There is a lot of difficulty regarding admission in professional courses because of the way the entire system works. When students seek admission elsewhere, they found that there was a difference in standards. Uniformity has to be achieved, but only by taking up the subject seriously. The government should take the necessary steps to bring uniformity into the system of education. Emotional integration, unity of the country based on national rather than regional or communal emotions. Aspiring for, wishing, desiring. Integrate, unite. discontent, dissatisfaction, anomaly, imbalance, defect. This completes today's dictation. Practice well and see you in the next session.